Hello everyone. Well, welcome. Welcome to Quill and Chill with Trupti. How are you doing everyone? I hope you are enjoying your day. So let's start. Let's start with what I did this week. So this week I had two after school clubs. The kids did very good job. I taught them the flowers that I showed you. They made magnets with them. They put these flowers on the wooden disc, and they added some flower leaves and petals, uh, and they use as a magnet. And let me show you what I did with those one flower that I made. So I made this Easter egg. So I used yellow flower, some leaves, and some scrolls, and made this beautiful Easter egg hanging. So I'm thinking of making couple of these, and I will conduct online and in-person workshop to show this how to do this. So next one I got. Oh, let me show you the flowers in person. So these are some flowers. Today I did purple flower. Okay, so I did this 10-12 flowers, and this week I got one online order from Etsy to make cross paper quilling class. Let me show you. So the cross look like this. So this is the housewarming gift from mother to her daughter. She just bought new house. So the daughter likes red, pink, blues, and some yellow color. So I used her favorite colors in this. So this is 8 by 10 size frame, and she wanted the matte. So this is the frame. I'm gonna ship this frame tomorrow. I just wanted to show you how does it look like. So I just kept it, but I'm gonna ship this tomorrow. And yeah, I showed you one logo that was I was working. Let me see if I can show the picture. I already gave that, but let me see if I can share the picture with you. Just a minute. Okay. Got it. Okay, so this was the frame. So there is a Seva International, as I told you. They have their lead program for the teenagers for from 8th grade to 12th grade. So every month they do in-person meeting, and they invite some experts to talk, and they gave this kind of memento to them. Usually they buy something from store, but this time they asked me to do it. So they loved it. I hope they will ask me again to do this kind of frame. So this was 8 by 10 frame, and everyone loved it. So let me. Okay, so as I mentioned yesterday, today I'm gonna show you how you can make this Malaysian flower. So are you ready with this? So let me start. Okay, let me grab my strips and supplies. Okay, so grab one strip. So I am using just regular A4 size strips, and I use my paper shredder to shred these strips. So size of this strip is, sorry, width is 4 millimeter. So you have to make loose coil just like regular loose coil. So this is the slotted tool. Insert strip in it and roll it. And remove it. Let it open. And then put glue. And hold it for some time. If you want, you can use tweezer and you can use circle sizer, so that your coils will become same size, because you are gonna make petal, right? Flowers. So you need same size petals. So if you want, you can use tweezer to hold it like this. So once it dry, what you can do, take slotted tool and press this down like this and bring the ends together like this. So it will look like this. Okay, I didn't hold for some time, that's why it didn't glue it. So like this, you can bend it. And then I will wrap this with same color strip. So take another strip, put glue and hold it for some time like this. And then wrap the strip around this. So I usually wrap it couple of times, but it's up to you. If you want, you can wrap whole strip, and if you want, you can use different color strip and cut excess strip and then put glue and glue it. So this is Malaysian petal. I will show you. It looks like this. So you can make couple of them, 6 of them, and you can glue them together like this. And for the middle, I'm gonna make one tight coil. Tight coil is very easy. Take slotted tool, insert strip in it, and start rolling it. And once you are done, put glue and hold it for some time. And then remove it. So this is tight coil. So I'm gonna use this tight coil as a middle. So let me show you again how I did that Malaysian petal. So roll strip and make a loose coil. And then put glue. Hold it for some time. Let it dry. So now here is the seam, the part where I glue the end. So here is it. So I'm gonna hold it like this and then press the slotted tool or pin inside like this and bring the ends together like this. So you will have shape like this. Then take another take tiny bit glue and put it here on the side and take another strip and glue it like this for some time. And then wrap it 2-3 times. So when wrapping, make sure it is tight, otherwise it will not look good. So I am wrapping 3 times. Then you can cut excess strip and then put glue and hold it. So like this, you can make Malaysian petals. You can use this to make flowers, or you can make butterfly wings with this. Make couple of them, attach them together and make one wing with that. So like this, you can make petals, flowers. You can, just I got thought, you can use these flowers and make a keychain with this. You can apply some Mod Podge, or if you have clear varnish, you can apply it couple of times so that it will become sturdy, and then you can use them as a keychain, or you can make as earring, or put some pin in behind it, and you can use as a brooch, or you can use as a bookmark, anything. Or you can connect couple of flowers and then like this maybe, and then you can make this as a necklace pen, as a pendant, and you can make matching flowers with this. Or you can use this as on the hair clip. Girls will love that. You can make matching colors according to dress and you can use them. What else you can use? Do you think any other uses of these flowers? If you think, if you are thinking any other uses, please let me know. So yeah, so I use my one flower in this egg, Easter egg. Now I am thinking maybe I will make a frame with these flowers, but I don't know. Let's see how I'm coming with the ideas. So yeah, so this is for it. If you know, if you want to learn something, please let me know. One person said they want to learn filling roses. So maybe next time I'm gonna show you how you can make paper quilling roses. Not this rose, not these big roses, but small tiny roses with strips. So if you also want to learn something new, please let me know. You can comment it to this video, or you can just send me a personal message. I will try my best to teach the new thing. Yes, so if you are watching this, thank you for watching. If you would like, you can share this with your friends and come back again every Thursday to learn new things and new creation. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining. Bye bye. Good night.